Election Duty Certificate. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to define election duty certificate, explain the procedure of casting of votes by the persons having EDC, identify different types of forms. Election duty certificate. If the duty of the person is in the same constituency in which he or she is an elector, then EDC can be given to that elector. Person can exercise his franchise on the basis of the EDC at the polling station in person where he is deployed on day of poll. Form 12A is an application for EDC, and in Form 12B, election duty certificate is being issued. The format of Form 12A is shown on the screen. The format of Form 12B is shown on the screen. Such persons to whom EDC is being issued will be eligible to cast their vote through the EVM VVPAT at the polling station. Name of such elector shall be entered after the name of the last regular elector in the marked copy of the electoral roll. The EDC shall be retained by the first polling officer. For example, if the name of the elector is Mukesh, part number of the elector is 32 and serial number is 625, then the entry in the second column of Register of Voters Form 17A will be 625/32/AC number or AS number. If election duty is cancelled, then also person can cast his vote at any polling station of the constituency. But he or she cannot cast the vote in the polling station in which he or she is enrolled. The polling personnel using EDC facility should cast the vote at the time when the polling agents are present in the polling station, except in cases where no polling agent turns up. In the case of the reserve polling personnel, they should be advised to vote as soon as possible in the beginning itself, as they may be required later on, or to be shifted to different polling stations to meet emergent situations. In item number 1 of Form 17C Part 1, regarding the total number of electors assigned to the polling station, the figures of total number of electors as per the relevant part of the electoral roll plus the electors who voted on the production of EDC shall be indicated. The actual number of electors assigned as per the total number of electors in that part of the electoral roll may be shown first, followed by the votes polled on the production of EDC. For example, if the total number of electors assigned to a polling station is 1125 and 9 votes were casted on the production of EDC, then in Form 17C, it shall be shown as 1134. In the bracket we have to write 1125 plus EDC 9. The presiding officer shall keep all the EDCs produced in the polling station in a separate envelope, mentioning thereon the number and name of the polling station and the total number of EDCs inside the envelope. This envelope shall be sealed and returned along with the other election materials. In this educational video, we have learned about the election duty certificate. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos on rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.